Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we did talk about the fact that my Google Chrome and Google wants you to move on to, you know, Manifest v3. Eventually, they were talking about Manifest v2 deprecation. And this impacts a lot of extensions that people were using, including some extensions like uBlock Origin, which is an ad blocker. And of course, it's interesting to see that the domination of Google Chrome is so big that it didn't really cause any dent. Now, there were workarounds for uBlock Origin that were still making it work. But by the end of this month of June, Chrome will not support Manifest v2 at all anymore. So that means that the workarounds for uBlock Origin will actually not work anymore. So, of course, this once again is interesting to see would this and will this impact the market share of Google Chrome. Until now, it doesn't seem like it. Of course, there's other ways to have that working. uBlock Origin itself said that Firefox was the place to go, the browser to use to have a full functioning ad blocker. There are some browsers out there that say that they have no plans to remove Manifest v2 for now, including Microsoft Edge, and of course. A lot of Chromium browsers like Brave, will have their way. Of course, that means that a switch of browser could be the, de facto new way of doing things for a lot of enthusiasts that actually use ad blockers. But then again, it's so interesting to note that it seems to really not affect the market share of Chrome at all, which is weird because you would think that maybe it would have an impact. People would move on to some other browser or something, and it shows how people just don't want to change. They don't want to move to other browsers. They don't want to change their habits. So Manifest v2 will be gone from Chrome by the end of June, which means that a lot of extensions will completely stop working. And that means also that one of the most popular one, like uBlock Origin, will kind of work. There's a uBlock Origin Lite that will work with Manifest v3. It just isn't as good as the full uBlock Origin when it would work on Chrome with Manifest v2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.